Hi there! Discover the LandKissing Grounding Mat, designed to improve your sleep and reduce anxiety naturally. This 24 by 16-inch mat connects you to the Earth's energy, promoting better rest and lowering inflammation. The kit includes an adapter splitter and a 25-foot extended grounding cord for easy setup anywhere. Simply place the mat on your bed and enjoy the calming benefits throughout the night. Many users report feeling more relaxed and experiencing less stress after regular use. Grounding mats are a simple way to reconnect with nature while indoors. Experience the soothing effects of grounding with this convenient and effective solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.